Could you see yourself being a certified gunsmith, setting your own schedule, working on guns all day long and enjoying it, being able to make an extra income, even working from home, and having the respect of your friends and the community, all the time working on guns? Hi, my name's Gene Kelly. I'm a certified gunsmith, Class II manufacturer, and president of the American Gunsmithing Institute. To be a real gunsmith, you need to learn design, function, repair, along with proper techniques to customize firearms safely. I mean, after all, you do not want to become a part swapper. Now, for me to become a certified gunsmith, I had to go away and spend 2.5 years at a gunsmithing school. And when I was working as a gunsmith very successfully, people would come up to me and say, "Hey, I want to do what you do. How can I learn that?" And so I'd tell them what I had to do. And they said, "Well, I can't quit my job and move away and learn gunsmithing that way." So I thought about it and I decided to write a book, Becoming an American Gunsmith. Now, this is not going to tell you every part and everything you need to know about gunsmithing. I could never cover that in the book. But what I did cover is a simple path you can use to become a gunsmith, even studying from home. Also, I covered what are the tools you really need. How do you set up your gunsmithing shop, even a small shop? And also, I answered a lot of the questions in the book about how do I get my FFL, my federal firearms license, and how should I set up my gunsmithing business, and many other questions I commonly get about becoming an American gunsmith. So I'd like to share this book with you. Now, I also included a number of gunsmithing student success stories because I think you'll be able to relate to them. And even though the book sells for $14.95, I want you to have it for free. What I'd like you to do is click on the button below and just pay the shipping. So seriously, knowing how to do these things, how to become a gunsmith, being a gunsmith, could literally change your life. And it'll make you feel better, successful, more in control, and your friends, your family, and the community is going to look at you with respect and awe. And it's a real important thing to actually know how to do the work and do it right and safely. And I want you to learn your path, and it's a simple path to become a successful gunsmith. Now, just request your copy by clicking on the button and just pay the shipping, okay? One last thing. The book will show you a simple path, as I said, to becoming a professional gunsmith. And I'd like you to join me helping to protect this country, helping to protect the Second Amendment by being able to repair and customize firearms. And when you're able to do that, you can make money at this part-time, full-time, or as a retirement income doing what you love. So request the copy of the book, and I look forward to hearing from you.